Tagalog word number 7, kahihiyan, humiliation or shame. In 1897, the revolution was going bad for the Katipunan, losing territory after territory against the Spanish army. This is made worse by factionalism between two major rebel groups. The Magdiwang faction, led by Mariano Alvarez, the uncle of Gregoria, the wife of Andres, and the Magdalo faction, led by Baldomero Aguinaldo, the cousin of Emilio Aguinaldo. On March 22, 1897, during the Tejeros Convention, in an attempt to unify the factions, Andres acceded to the push by the Magdalos to form a revolutionary government to replace the Katipunan. Andres lost the presidency to Emilio Aguinaldo, who wasn't even present during the election because he was in the middle of a battle. Andres eventually was elected Secretary of the Interior until someone insulted him for being not qualified. Kahihiyan ang ibinato kay Andres. Humiliation was thrown at Andres. Insults were thrown, tempers flared, and a revolver was drawn with someone almost being shot. Enraged, Andres declared the election null and void. Things are going to turn worse for Andres.